In this video, I'm going to show you how I recreated this best-selling t-shirt design for any niche in very little time, even if you're a beginner. I noticed in Everbee, one of the research tools that I use to see what's selling on Etsy, I saw this nurse shirt and it was having sales of over £3,000 a month, equivalent to $4,000 at today's exchange rate. I was actually looking for a teacher's shirt or a back-to-school design because now's the time that I'm going to be creating them. I saw this and thought it's a really versatile design for any niche. And by that, I'm thinking teachers, hairdressers, vets, dentists, even camping, dogs, cats, the list is endless. And the reason that I think that this is popular is because it ties in with somebody's identity without shouting what they are. The design is simple, yet eye-catching, the images are cute, and I can see why it's totally wearable. And these are some of the main factors why people will buy shirts or designs to wear. So I'm going to show you how I would create this for any niche, and stay around till the end and I'll show you how you can get your hands on all these images that we create today that you can use to create your shirt designs, digital products, crafting projects, whatever. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a thing, and let's get into it. So the first thing that I did, I went into ChatGPT and asked it, please give me a list of 20 items related to a teacher. And here it's come up with some great ideas for images that I can create for our t-shirt design. Things like an apple, chalkboard, ruler. So just make a list of around 20 items for whatever niche you want to create for. That way we have a few spares, we'll see how they turn out, and we have a good ideas bank to get started with. My AI generator of choice today is Artistly, and hopefully it's going to create me some really cute images that will lend itself to this shirt. I've spoken about Artistly before in other videos, and I think it's a great choice for these kind of images, clip art, some PNGs, and for a one-off price of $49, I think it's super value for money. No recurring fees, no more fees for credits or anything else, just the one fee and that's it. So let's jump into it. After you've logged in and this is your dashboard, click on Create Design, Advanced AI Designer, start creating. We just want the 1080 by 1080 because I'm going to do my alterations in Canva. You want to click here on this icon, this star icon for the AI generator where you can put your prompt. And this is the first prompt from the item on the list that I've put in. A cute hand-drawn school blackboard with chalks on an easel. The board is black, watercolour, isolated on a white background. And at the end of the video, I'll tell you how you can get your hands on all these prompts and these clip art images so that you can create your own projects. And I thought that was really cute. So we can remove background in here. And to do that, we click the remove background. And then we have to click the image to add it to the canvas once we've done that. So click to add it to the canvas. That will now be a transparent PNG, and we can also use the AI Upscaler if we want to, but I'm just going to export that because I'm going to put them all into Canva because I have all my templates inside of Canva, so I just find it easier. So back to my list, the next thing I can choose is pack of pencils. Get rid of that one. Back to the AI generator, and now I'm going to copy and paste in the next one, which is a cute image of a pack of coloured pencils, watercolour, isolated on a white background. Generate image. I'm not too keen on those, I wanted them in a packet, so I'm going to put packet, generate image. I think that's actually quite cute. I'm going to put that on there and just keep it for the time being. I'm just going to go again. And I think that I prefer that. I think that says more I'm a teacher than that does. So we'll have that and export that as a PNG. Click to get rid of that. Back to the generator. And I noticed that the next one was a globe. So a cute image of a globe. Watercolour isolated on a white background. We'll see if that's enough information. I'm thinking that it perhaps needs to be a school globe on a stand. Yeah, that's what I'm after. Export PNG. The next one on the list, I think we'll have a coffee mug. Cute image of a coffee mug with teacher on it. That's cute. We just have another go. I think I prefer that one. Again, export as a PNG. Let's get rid of that. I'm looking to do around 12 images, so the next one I think I'm going to do a notepad. So I'll paste my next prompt in and go again. That's quite cute. Again, notepad and pen. Yeah, export PNG. The next one, I'll have a pile of books. Pile of books. Yeah, they're cute. I'll just do another one actually and put school books. No, I think I prefer those. Export as a PNG. So I'm going to continue the process in Artistly. I'm going to create 12 images that I'm happy with, and then I'm going to drop them into Canva here, and then we're going to arrange them into a design ready for a shirt. And as well as the prompts, I'm going to give you this clip art set as well that you can use for your own projects. So inside Canva, I've created a canvas 2500 by 2500, and I've started to arrange the images onto the canvas like so. Obviously we'll make sure that every one of these all has transparent backgrounds, so we can see that these haven't, so we'll remove the backgrounds on those and just arrange them all in 3 layers of 4. And when you're happy with it and you're sure that all your images are transparent background, then your image should look something like this. So if I now download this as a PNG with a transparent background, upload that PNG that you've just downloaded back into Canva and go over to your mockup and arrange it on the mockup. And I think Artistly does a great job of these images. A really cute shirt design that you could use across any niche. Just make a list of all the items that are in the niche that you're designing for, and that could be something like camping with tents, with a campfire. Just ask ChatGPT to create you a list of items in that niche. So I'm now going to go over to Topaz Gigapixel, which I'm going to upscale and convert to 300 dpi. I'm going to drag that into there. I want to make that 5000 by 5000, 300 dpi. It's now upscaled. Export the image and save. And like I say, I'm going to give you all these as clip art. I've put these on their own separate ones, making sure that all the backgrounds are clear behind them. And now I'm going to download them all as PNGs with transparent backgrounds. Download. All of them with transparent background, download. Go back to Topaz Gigapixel, and this just makes it so easy to do all these in one go. So I just highlight them all, drop them all in. I want to make them, I can make them 5000 by 5000 each at 300 dpi. Export all 12 items at once. It's upscaling them now. And now I just click export 12 images and save, and that's them done. So to briefly summarise what we just did there, we created the images in Artistly, we removed the backgrounds, and you can either do that in Artistly or take them into Canva and do that. We then uploaded the images into Canva and arranged them all onto one canvas in the design that we want. Just be 100% sure that all the backgrounds are removed. We then downloaded that as a transparent PNG, and then I went to Topaz Gigapixel, put the image in there, upscaled it to 5000 by 5000 pixels at 300 dpi. Now we've got an image ready to mock up on a t-shirt or for any other product. So I'll leave the links below for everything that we've talked about today in this video. Also, you can grab for free that clip art pack and all the prompts that we've used today. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and go and watch these videos here next. Create stunning AI mockups fast in Canva, or create these amazing t-shirt designs without any experience. I'll see you in the next one.